Welcome back. I welcome you all. I'm Sapna Blara, and today in the last video we have done the uses of a or an. In this video we will see the uses of the or the. The is used in the following categories of proper nouns. Where we have to use the or the, we will see. Whenever we are talking about building, some important building or historic building we are talking about, there also we have to use the. I already told where we have to use the whenever we know about the thing or person we are describing with the important things we are talking about, there we have to use the. And the important buildings like the Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal, we have to use the word the in place of a or an. Whenever we are talking about seas and ocean, there also we have to use the, like the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean. Rivers, with rivers also we have to use the Ganga, the Yamuna. Desert, the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert, there also we have to use the. Whenever we are talking about periods or event in the history, there also we have to use the word the, like the Dark Ages, the Civil War. Whenever we are talking about important bridges, there also we have to use the London Bridge, the Howrah Bridge. With parts of a country also, I am talking parts of a country, not any specific country I am talking about. When we are talking about parts of a country, there also we have to use the, like the South, the Upper Midwest. Use the when the noun being referred to is unique. Whenever we are talking about unique things, there also we have to use the, because of our understanding of the world. Those are unique thing and we know very well about them. That's why we are also using the there. Like the earth moves around the sun. Wolves howl at the moon. Moon, sun, earth, these are unique things. That's why we have to use the here. Use the when a noun can be made specific from a previous mention in the text. This is also known as a second or subsequent mention. Whenever we are talking about the noun or pronoun, whenever we are using that thing second time in the same paragraph, there also we have to use the. Like in the first line, my son caught a cat. There we have used a cat. But whenever we are talking about second time for the cat, we can use the there. Like I am looking after the cat when he is on vacation. Clear? I read a good book. The book was first time a good book. Second time we are talking about the same book. That's why we have used here the book. The book was about how to use article correctly in English. The is used with superlative adjective whenever we are comparing more than two things. That is called superlative degree of comparison. There also we are using the, like the first, the second, the biggest, the smallest, the next, the only. Let's see example also. It was the first study to address the unique issue. It was the weakest participant. He was the only person to drop out of the study. That's why we have used the there. Till now we have seen where we have to use a, an or the. Now we will see when we have to use no article. When there will be no requirement of an article, that those type of cases we will also see. When we refer to general ideas, plurals or uncountable nouns, because a or an you know very well we have to use with singular only. So with uncountable nouns also we are not using any type of article. Milk is good for us, yeah, for you. Not the milk is good for you. With uncountable nouns we are not supposed to use any article. Men are always fond of golf. Again it is showing plural. Whenever we are talking about towns, cities, states, countries, not specific country, I'm talking about the United States of America, I'm talking about. General countries we are talking about, like Shri Dungargarh, Delhi, Bikaner, India. With these we are not supposed to use any article. With proper noun we are not supposed to use any article. Planets, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn also generally we are not using any article. With sports or games like cricket, tennis, skiing also we are not using any article. Meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Do not use article before the name of any language, like we are learning English. Clear? With languages also we are not supposed to use any article. Now I hope so you have understand the topic article, where we have to use a or an or the, and where we have not to use a, an or the. Both are important for your grammar part. When you understand this topic, then only you will identify the mistake or fill a proper answer there. Clear? Now you will practice articles. I will give you some exercise also, so that you can have some practice. Thank you.